Hello everyone, welcome here. In previous lectures, we have learned how to install Python and how to install PyCharm IDE. So here is a very simple lecture. It is very simple how to start PyCharm and how to create a new project using virtual environment. See, Python is used to run programs in VENV. It's a shortcut. It's called nothing but virtual environment. Let's see how it is going to be created and how we are going to be writing Python programs inside. Let's see. By pressing start button, type simply PyCharm here, or else you may find this PyCharm icon, or else if you initiated a shortcut icon in your desktop, here it is my icon. If I click this, I will be initiated and launching PyCharm IDE, which is a community center edition. See, if it is there any earlier PyCharm which is installed in your computer system, it will import. It will ask you to import, or else you won't be asked this window. Okay, so the community center edition which is going to be launching now. Let's see, it's a very important to create new projects in Python as a beginner. This is a very important and essential. So here you may observe here, see the new project I am clicking here. If you are already having any Python projects, you go with the open, or else you just click for plus button here. It's a new project. So the new project window, it is coming here. It's not like it's a creating a step. It's not a new project. It's already created. It's a new project which is initiating. So the Python project 1, it's a name. It is appearing here. Python project 1, it is going to be appearing here. So if you want to change this, if you want to change this path and location, yes, you can put your own. As a beginner to learning and initiating the things, let it be the same path and continue. Now see, new environment using virtual env. See, the virtual env it is showing here. So the virtual env, like a Python where the program is compiled, is run and showing an output using this virtual environment only. By default, you see here user admin PyCharm projects, Python project 1 and VENV also, which is going to create along with our new project, and every project independently having one new virtual environment as well. So the same location, same folder which is going to be creating, and base interpreter where the Python is going to be using the compiler. See, the installation software which is done with the help of users, admin, app data, local and programs. This is the path which is given here. If you are facing any problem, or if you are installed any other Python versions in your computer system, press this button, and if you are finding any other versions of Python which are available in your computer, you may change this and check that like base interpreters. If you are facing any error while running the Python code, if you are facing any error, you need to concentrate this base interpreter path. Alright, and by having all this, you just click here create button. That's it. So see, getting visual elements, like it's a creating. All the things are going to be creating. See, these are the tips for the day. Always they'll update you. If you want to read all, you can by pressing the click next to see all the steps you may find here. So as of now I'm making close. So this is the window you will get. This is the window you will get. Like left side is in a project to complete what we have created, basic libraries which are already available in Python, which all will comes to you, packages, and what are the minimum requirements to run the Python softwares, and all you will get, main.py and all. So the next lecture, see the basic funda and basic skeleton of the project we have seen, how to create and all. In the next lecture, we are going to learn how to write a first beginners app and first beginners Python project, like a hello world program. I'll catch you. Thank you.